back to my channel. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Talia, bringing you all the latest teen trends from the beauty and fashion world. So we are diving into mermaid territory in this video today. I will be showing you how to achieve these loose, effortless mermaid waves that I am wearing. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then let's go under the sea and I will show you how it is done. Catch you later! So for this hairstyle, you're going to want to start off with clean, damp hair. I'm just letting mine out of my microfiber soft hair towel and squeezing out any excess water. Now I will be taking my leave-in conditioner by Garnier Fructis and running this through my hair. Taking a mousse, I will be pumping 4 pumps into the palm of my hand and scrunching this throughout my hair. Naturally, I have extremely straight hair, so I will also be applying a hair gel and scrunching this throughout my hair. This is going to make my waves last a little longer. Taking a hair repair weightless oil, I will be spraying this throughout my hair. As you can see, I did not comb my hair for this hairstyle. I just finger combed it, and this will give my waves more value. Next, I am applying a heat protectant spray. We are going to be blow drying our hair just a little bit. So like I said earlier, we are blow drying our hair, but you don't want to dry it completely. Just dry it so that there's still a little bit of dampness in your hair. Now that my hair is about 80% dry, I am going to part it down the middle and then tie 2 pigtails. After I have my pigtails in place, I'm going to start braiding my hair and then tying the ends with a hair tie. After you braid your pigtails, you're going to wait at least a minimum of 2 hours. To pass the time, you can play on your phone or take selfies. After 2 or more hours is up, you can let your pigtails out. The longer you leave your braids in, the more wavier your hair will be. And just a little added step, I like to take a couple sections of hair and braid it. This gives it a nice little mermaid look. And then to finish off this look, I'm just adding a little bit more weightless oil to give my hair some shine.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. I'm on the shore